Hello, I'm Scott with Shoms Photography, and today we're going to talk about split screening on the Atoto A6. This feature is not actually in the unit, it's on your phone. Here we have my phone. This is a Samsung S8 Edge. Here I have my little USB connector, so I'm just going to slap this up here. It automatically connects in. I'm going to hit the back button. I'm going to go over here to Easy Connect, and it should come up here with the little Easy Connect navigator right there. I'm going to hit the little back button. I'm going to go back up to my music player, and you can hear it's playing through here. And we can take that off, and if we want to, we can adjust the music player, slide it over, make the music player just a little bit smaller. Again, this here is split screening on the Atoto A6. My name is Scott with Shoms Photography, and thank you for watching.